Hello everyone. We're going to pick our battles today. Yep, I'm lying to you always. You know that. I can't be any different today. I love this salad. I'm going to call it Mary's orange salad because I got it from my friend Mary, and she brought it in the summertime, and my granddaughter, Braylon, absolutely adored it, and I make it all the time. So the choices are you make it with or without sugar-free. So sugar's not my friend. I can do sugar-free, but it contradicts me saying I'm eating clean. So that's why I said I lie to you. So you have to pick your battles when you're doing bariatric surgery, recovery, maintenance, any of it. Do you want to have sugar? If you can, make this with sugar. It's way better with sugar. I make it sugar-free for two reasons. Dave's A1C is high right now, higher than he's ever had, and I can't tolerate sugar. So it does contradict me saying no processed foods. By the way, I broke my handle on my best crock pot that sautés, but it's still working. I just don't know how I'm going to lift out. I digress, I know, guys. So let's go back to this. Mary's orange salad. Great for summer, great for spring, great for fall, great for all year. High in protein because it has the entire container of cottage cheese. So in 3/4 and a half a cup of cottage cheese, there's 13 grams. So I don't know, there's a lot of servings when you make this. You probably have made these. I'm going to use this beautiful, these are the best inventions right here. These beautiful bowls, and tell you what I've done. Hang on a minute. So this bowl came like this. I forgot what it was even called, but I use it for everything. So it basically has a colander in a bowl. In the colander is a can of Great Value crushed pineapple and a can of mandarin oranges. Both are in their natural juices without sugar. So, nope, I'm going to do this wrong right off the bat. You're going to start the way Mary told me to do it. You put the cottage cheese in the bowl. The fruit you stir in last because you're going to stir this terrible thing for you into it. I'll show you. So yes, I lied. I said I don't do a lot of processed food. This is processed. I'm picking my battle. So today my battle is sugar-free orange Jell-O. I'm going to stir that Jell-O right into that cottage cheese right now. And you can use the sugared products. I'm not sure any of them are any good for us. But you know, when you want something sweet that's got some protein in it, this does all the bells and whistles. I had 2 things of cottage cheese to use. One I eat just as cottage cheese. This one I'm going to eat as Mary's orange salad. It is only Tuesday, so Braylon will not be coming over because the kids are all back in school. She adores this. And I'm going to use 0 sugar Cool Whip. And in this is the drained, whatever you want to call it, can of crushed pineapple and a can of mandarin oranges. And this is like the whole thing, you guys. And then you chill it with this Cool Whip. Let me stir this around a little bit. Then I'll stir the Cool Whip in. And you have a cottage cheese, fresh. Some people put nuts in it. I've seen that. I've seen it with pistachio pudding. They're all good. You guys, I love Jell-O. I love Jell-O salads. I'm not picky. I just try to be better, do better every day and show you something that might help you. When you're on the soft phase and you want something sweet and you're allowed to have some carbs, which is fruit in this case, you can do sugar-free, Cool Whip. Cottage cheese is always a good for you thing. Fruit is good for you. Don't do the fruit in the heavy syrup. 0 sugar Cool Whip. This was probably something I made from the beginning now that she gave me the recipe. I'm telling you guys this. If I can remember the name of it, I will tell you. I got it on QVC about 10 years ago. I use it almost every day for something, this bowl and colander. I don't even have another spaghetti strainer anymore. I just use that. So has anyone out there made these? Mary, thank you for this recipe. I'm going to call it Mary's orange salad. I'm going to put it in the fridge and I'm going to eat it. You also know who doesn't eat it, the guy I live with. So I got a lot here. It makes a lot. It's great to take to a function because everyone loves it. You could put shredded coconut. I've also seen it with mini marshmallows. I'm not doing that because of the sugar. So that's it. That's Mary's orange salad, and it weighs a ton. And I did that in 4 minutes, under 5 minutes. Love you guys. This is video number 2 for today. The chicken or turkey piccata cabbage is cooking away. This is going in the fridge. And that might be it for today. Love you guys. Have a great day.